This is the daylily. There are so many gorgeous varieties of daylilies. The two reblooming varieties that I have in my garden are pink damask and rock solid. I love how hardy daylilies are. They grow back stronger year after year. They are called daylilies because each bloom only lasts one day, but the good news is that each plant has multiple stalks, so one or more will bloom the very next day. Be sure to check the tag to make sure you are buying a reblooming variety so it can bloom from July all the way to September for you. It attracts butterflies and bees and is drought tolerant, so you don't need to water it as often as your other garden flowers. Please note you do need to protect it from deer and rabbits if deer and rabbit come to your garden, and daylilies are not safe for your pets to eat. For pretty much all the plants in my list, I do recommend deadheading spent blooms occasionally to promote continuous blooming and for a tidier appearance. If you're looking for more beautiful plants, click the flower to subscribe and check out this next video.